Have you ever feel ignored by someone? I know there's no worse feeling than being ignored by anyone. You walk into a room, but people may overlook, dismiss, or simply don't take you seriously. And the more you try to get respect, the more they walk away. Here's the truth. Respect is not asked for. It's commanded and earned. And it does not take years. There are simple psychological rules that, once you practice them, can change how people see you almost instantly. In this video, I'm going to share with you 18 powerful psychological tricks to make people respect you, without begging, without forcing, without pretending. These rules work because they speak directly to how the human brain perceives value, authority, and confidence. Rule 1. Respect yourself first. Eleanor Roosevelt once said, "No one can make you feel inferior without your consent." And it's true. If you don't respect yourself, nobody else will. Respect starts in the mirror. It starts with how you talk to yourself, how you set boundaries, and how you allow others to treat you. The world follows your example. If you treat yourself as unworthy, they will too. But when you respect your own time, energy, and values, people have no choice but to match that energy. Rule 2. Give before you get. Respect is like a mirror. What you project, you receive. When you treat others with dignity, when you listen to them, when you show them they matter, something powerful happens. They reflect that same respect back to you. Even the greatest leaders in history earned loyalty not by demanding it, but by respecting everyone equally, from the janitor to the CEO. Rule 3. Master the language of the body. Imagine two people walking into a room. One slouches, looks at the floor and mumbles. The other walks in with their shoulders back, head up, calm but confident. Who do people notice? Before you say a word, your body has already spoken. If you act like you don't matter, people believe it. But if your body language says, "I belong here," people respect you without a word. Rule 4. Stay calm under pressure. Anyone can lose their cool. But the ones who remain calm when things fall apart are the ones people admire. Respect does not come when everything is easy. It comes when chaos hits and you are still steady. Your silence, your composure, your patience. These make others see you as reliable, trustworthy, and strong. Rule 5. Carry yourself with maturity. Maturity does not mean being boring or overly serious. It means responding with clarity instead of chaos, wisdom instead of impulse. In every group, there's always someone who becomes the go-to voice of reason. That person earns respect automatically because they bring stability to unstable situations. Be that person. Rule 6. Respond to insults with calm eyes. Here's where most people lose respect. When someone insults them, they explode, defend, argue, or try to prove themselves. But the truth is, defensiveness makes you look weak. Instead, do this. Pause. Say nothing. Hold their eyes with calm confidence. Silence is louder than anger. And nothing makes an insulter feel smaller than your unshaken presence. Rule 7. Build status and skills. Sometimes people respect your position before they respect you. A doctor, a lawyer, an officer, a successful entrepreneur. They are respected not just for who they are, but for what they've achieved. So focus on growth. Build skills, improve yourself, earn achievements. The higher your value, the harder it becomes for people to dismiss you. Rule 8. Speak less, listen more. The loudest voice in the room is rarely the most respected. True authority belongs to the one who speaks less and listens more. When you give your attention, people feel valued. And when you finally open your mouth, your words carry weight because they are rare. Silence builds respect. Rule 9. Stop proving you're smart. Trying to prove your intelligence only makes you look insecure. Real wisdom doesn't advertise itself. A mountain doesn't need to prove its height, it simply stands tall. Instead of shouting about how smart you are, let your results speak. People respect what they see, not what they're told. Rule 10. Perfect your posture. Respect is not just mental, it's physical. The way you sit, stand, and move either adds to your presence or takes away from it. Walk with purpose. Sit with confidence. Move like someone who belongs. People believe in the way you carry yourself, sometimes more than in the words you say. Rule 11. Dress with intention. You don't need to wear luxury brands to be respected, but you do need to dress like you value yourself. A clean, sharp, well-fitted outfit tells the world, I take myself seriously, and so should you. First impressions matter, and your clothes speak before you do. Rule 12. Learn to laugh at yourself. People respect those who are confident enough to laugh at their own mistakes. It shows you're secure, grounded, and real. But here's the key. Laugh at yourself, not at others. A small dose of humility makes you more human, and humans are respected more than robots pretending to be perfect. Rule 13. But don't overshare weaknesses. Being relatable doesn't mean revealing everything. Some people mistake oversharing for authenticity. But the truth is, too much exposure kills respect. Stay a little mysterious. Keep some parts of yourself private. People respect what they can't fully understand. Rule 14. Never gossip. Gossiping is the fastest way to lose respect. Why? Because the moment you talk badly about someone else, the person listening knows you'll do the same to them. Respectable people don't waste energy dragging others down. They stand tall without stepping on anyone. Rule 15. Admit when you're wrong. Perfection is a lie. And nobody respects someone who pretends to never fail. But when you admit your mistakes honestly, people see you as strong, honest, and trustworthy. The greatest leaders are not perfect. They are accountable. Rule 16. Be humble, not a people pleaser. There's a difference. Being nice all the time makes people take advantage of you. But genuine humility is powerful. It means being kind without losing your boundaries. People respect humility, but they don't respect desperation. Rule 17. Stay consistent. One great action won't make people respect you. Consistency will. Anyone can impress once, but only the reliable, steady, and trustworthy earn lasting respect. When your words match your actions, day after day, people begin to trust you. And trust is the foundation of respect. Rule 18. Keep growing. Nothing commands respect like growth. When people see you evolving, learning, and leveling up, they can't help but admire you. Growth is magnetic. It proves you're not stagnant, not stuck, but constantly becoming more. And that's what makes people take you seriously, because your life itself becomes an inspiration. Respect is not a trick. It's not a demand. It's a lifestyle. It's in how you stand, how you speak, how you treat yourself, and how you treat others. If you apply even half of these rules, you will notice the change in your life and how people will listen, watch, and treat differently. By the way, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe to this channel for the latest videos to upgrade your life. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Until then, good luck and keep leveling up.